Guys, so now I actually dyed this slime more blue. It's like a turquoise now. It's really like fluffy and nice. I also have some charms inside. It's really cute, and I also have the spoon. I don't use it anymore. Just dig it into that slime, and whoa, that is nice. And I'm gonna twist it as fast as I can. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna twist it again. Come on, 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 come on. Here's your popsicle. It's like really jelly, you can see. And here's ASMR. Wait, I love this sound. It's like a smusher. It's really nice. For some reason, those YouTubers, they always like whisper like, "Hey guys, I got the viral slime. Hear this? Shh." Yeah, they're always like that. Anyways, this is a very nice slime. You should follow me. Subscribe to me. And we'll always have more fun videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.